Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make anemone flowers. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is all you need. Take out some 18 gauge floral wire, cut them into about 17 centimeters long. We need 3 of them and tape them together with some tape. Trim a strip of green crepe paper and wrap the wire with some UHU glue. Add the glue gradually so they won't get dry. Preheat your hot glue. Use a pair of pliers to make a loop on the top. While you're waiting for the hot glue, we cut some fringes for the flower center. Rub the fringes. Our hot glue is ready. Squeeze a generous amount of hot glue and form a ball on the wire and hiding the loop. Make sure the glue is not touching any surfaces when it's cooling down. We continue to cut the black paper into fringes. You can choose purple or beige color as the background color of the petals. Cut the petals out according to the template, and our template is available on our Etsy shop, so have a look as well. This time I colored the bottom tip of the petals with a very light purple. You can also use the color that you like. Color the hot glue ball in a black acrylic. Cover the entire surfaces and let it dry. We will need about 4 small petals and 9 big ones. You can start shaping petals with your fingers. The concept is expanding in the middle, curve the top edges, and also the tip for the attachment. After the petals, we're going to construct the flower center. Wrap the yellow fringe onto the black center. I trimmed the length of the paper so it matched the height of the glue ball. Attach the black fringes on the top. And expand the fringes. Now you can place the petals around the flower center. The smaller one will be in the middle, the bigger ones are on the outside. Add a drop of hot glue at the middle as a finishing and let it cool down. And wrap the bottom glue with some floral tape. Now we move on to the leaves. We have a separate video on making leaves. Check it out for more details. Wrap the leaves onto the flower stem, then we are done. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, comment and share to your friends. See you soon!